stuff.
Maybe that. Seeing that lovely preferences.
The shed. I just.
There's not that much you can get done in a day.
And see if I'm doing it right. I don't.